Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Twilight QueenBee. In today's video, I'm going to give you a makeup tutorial which you are seeing right now on my face. It's a glitter pink eyeshadow look which I created while getting ready for my Raksha Bandhan festival, and I kind of like this look, or should I say I'm obsessed about this look. So yeah, this is a very quick and easy makeup tutorial. But before starting the makeup tutorial, I would like to say that if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Now without wasting any further time, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, it's very important to prep your skin. So I already cleansed, used a moisturizer and a primer, and now I'm using this foundation from Nykaa Skin Shield, and I'm going to mention the shade in the description below. And to blend the foundation, I'm here using the beauty blender. Yes, I love to use beauty blender. I'm not a great fan of foundation brush because I think that after applying your foundation with a brush, you need to use a beauty blender. So what's the point of doing double hard work? So yeah, and I kind of like this foundation. It gives a high coverage, like medium to high coverage. So if you're looking for a budget friendly foundation, then you can really opt for it. And don't forget your neck, because neck is a very important part. I don't want to feel like a mask, like I'm wearing a mask. So yeah, I always apply foundation on my neck as well. So as you can see that it does give a great coverage. I'm pretty much confused that I should use a concealer or not, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna use it. So for concealer, I'm going to use Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Yes, I remember the shade, and it's one of the most reasonable priced concealer available in Indian market, which gives you a medium to high coverage. So yeah, I love it. A little goes along. I don't like to apply a hell lot of concealer. Yeah, a lot of concealer. And now after concealer, I'm going to set my foundation and concealer using MAC pressed powder, I guess, next to nothing pressed powder in the shade medium plus, if I'm not wrong. And I'm going to mention it in the description below, all the products in detail, so don't worry about it. And now it's time for my eyebrows. Yeah, so for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this one. This one is from Nykaa Pro Chika. So if you have seen my previous videos, you know how much I love this product. I'm a bit, to be very honest, conscious about my eyebrows, because as you can see that I don't have a thick eyebrows, and I love thick eyebrows. Now moving to the eyeshadow part, I am taking this shade from Makeup Revolution Patrica eyeshadow palette. So I'm applying on my lid. I really like this eyeshadow palette. All the colors are really pigmented. It's crazy, I know. As you can see, this color is very sweet. I guess it's a rosy pink shade. I don't know guys, I may be wrong, but I totally love it. And you can see that I'm pulling my eyeshadow to get a cat eye look. And now I'm going to take this shade and I'm applying on the outer corner of my lid area to create more depth, to make it look really to get a cat eye look. That's what I wanted actually. And now I'm going to take this one, this glittery shade, and this shade is crazy. This is pigmented. Here I'm going to add a close-up look so that you can see it more closely, that how pigmented this glitter is. And this is naturally giving me a cut crease look. I don't have to apply a concealer, then I have to apply this glitter shade. No, I'm just using it on top of my basic pink eyeshadow which I created. And wow, Just look at it, girl, just look at it. Now moving to the lower eyelid area. For my lower eyelid area, I'm going to use the second shade which I used to create a tip on my outer corner of the eyelid area, and I kind of like this shade. It's really giving me the look which I wanted. And guys, I'm not using any kajal or any liner, and for mascara I'm going to use Maybelline New York Lash Sensational mascara because I really love it. I was actually thinking to use that L'Oreal Paris mascara but for this look, but then I thought that no, just keep it. I'm going to review that L'Oreal mascara very soon on my channel, and I'm going to show you the demo. It will be a very honest demo and review, so yeah, wait for it. And yeah, don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lashes because it's very important. Just look at my lower lashes, it's looking great. It does look great, isn't it? Now moving to the blush. For the blush, I'm going to take this one from Wet n Wild. Don't worry, I'm gonna mention the shade in the description below because right now I just can't remember the exact name. And yeah, this blush, I really love it. This is really pigmented, and yeah, don't take it a lot of quantity at a time. Build it gradually because trust me, it is pigmented and it is going to make it worse. Okay, now I'm done with my blush and I'm going to use a liquid highlighter today. This one is from NYX, and I'm going to set it by using a beauty sponge, a beauty blender, because it's a liquid highlighter. And look at this, honey, glow, baby, glow. And I'm going to also highlight my cupid, that is what I think we call it, right? Yeah, and the tip of my nose. Now I'm also setting this with a sponge. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this one from Nykaa. This is really pigmented and I really don't want to apply any loud lipstick for this look. I want to keep it very subtle. So yeah, I'm taking a very little amount and then dabbing it using my finger. That's it. That's what I wanted. A sweet, soft rust lip shade I wanted for this look, and I kind of like it. I hope you guys also liking this one. And to set my makeup, I'm using this one from MAC. This one, I guess, Pink Light, which I'm using. I like it as it does have glitter particle, and it does set my makeup perfectly. And this is the final result. So let me change my hairstyle, let me put on some accessories and see how it goes with the entire look. And also I'm going to wear a bindi. Now this is the Raksha Bandhan look which I am created, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. So yes, if you really enjoyed this makeup tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me in my Instagram account. Link will be mentioned in the description below. So I hope guys you really enjoyed this Desi version of pink glitter eyeshadow makeup tutorial. So yes, give a big thumbs up, do share, do comment, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. And you know what guys, I love you. Bye.